guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm doing something super fun. I'm sharing a sticker haul that I just got from Amazon. So let's get started, and I'm going to start with my favorite ones first, and these are all Bigfoot stickers, and they are so awesome. If you love Bigfoot, this is definitely the sticker set for you. I mean, he's got a taco right there. How awesome is that? So there is all sorts of Bigfoots. There's something for everybody. I totally believe everybody should love Bigfoot, but I know you don't, and that's fine. Here he is with another taco. That's so funny. I'll link all these stickers down below, so if you want to go get yours, you will be able to. I use these in journals and my planners. I even put some on my computer cover, so, you know, you can put these anywhere. You can put them on water bottles. Oh, I love this one with the aliens. I mean, these are just so awesome. Like I said, I got them on, oh, here's one with the camera. How perfect. I got them on Amazon, and you get 50 stickers, and they were $4.99. Can you believe that? I mean, that's a good deal. Oh, he's in a VW bug. Skunk ape. Like E.T. there, if you're old enough to know who E.T. is. He's dabbing. Oh, this is my favorite too. It's got aliens in it. So anyway, I thought you would want to see these great Bigfoot stickers I got. There's quite a few. Like I said, there's 50, and they were only $4.99. So that's the one set I got. The next set is this, and this is like succulents, because I live in California, Southern California, and succulents are just a thing, and they live, and it's about all I can keep alive. So they're pretty. I like to put these, again, in journals, in planners. So if you like succulents, this is a super pretty pack to get. It's got a lot of beautiful colors. Got some with seashells, birds. It's got all different kinds. I mean, there's just a ton. There's a cactus. I don't know what all types these are. I actually have this plant in my yard. Isn't that crazy? There's one that's kind of like Easter, if you ask me. Oops. So anyway, I believe this pack had 52. Like I said, I will link all these packs down below. Okay. The next set is like green plants, greenery. Because it's March, and I just wanted houseplants and everything. So these are just great, different kinds of plants and pots, ivies hanging down. So tree, if you like plants, this is a great sticker pack. There's a lot of variety. They're in pots, they're not, there's just leaves, there's cactus. And again, this is a pack of 50. Some of them were $6.99, some were $4.99. I know for a fact Bigfoot was $4.99. Oh, look at this. The happy little pots with the plants. I just love that. Oh, this. I love all these plants because they're all plants around here. And they have skinny ones. The pots, some of them have faces. This one has a book, which is so cute. A lot of palm frondy kind of plants. Some cool pots too, like mid-century modern type pots. So if you like plants, this is a great set of stickers for your journals. They're not too big. They're a good size. They're super fun. And there's a zillion different kinds. And the last set are books. I'm in a book club. I love reading. So I got a set of book stickers. It's like looking out the window with your tea and your books. Read more books. Take me to the bookshop. Christmas bear. We lose ourselves in books. We find ourselves there too. It's so true. So these are a lot of just good book ones. If you love books, these are just like perfect for journaling. Some super cute ones. A sloth. I love a sloth. This is me when I get a book. Look. These will be linked below. The cat on top of this stack of books. Oh, this one's cute too. A bunch of cats on a bookshelf. There's like a Halloween one. The coffee cup on top of the books. That's cute. Treat your shelves. The dog one. Go away, I'm reading. So many books, so little time. That one's pretty. That one's pretty too. That one's cute. Coffee cup with books. Books. I might have to send my daughter some of these. Those are so cute too. So anyway, I hope you liked my video of all my sticker haul I just got. I will link them all down below. They're all from Amazon. And have a great weekend and take care. Bye guys.